Today, we're diving into Realme's latest flagship beast, the Realme GT7 Pro. This phone just hit the market, and it's packing some serious heat. So, in this video, we're going to break down its top features and give you our quick review. Let's jump right in. First up, we've got this stunning 6.8-inch AMO LLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate, perfect for buttery smooth scrolling and gaming. The colors? Absolutely vibrant with HDR10 Plus support. It's a feast for your eyes whether you're streaming videos or just browsing through social media. Now, check out this camera setup. The GT7 Pro features a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 32MP telephoto lens. That means detailed shots, wide-angle photography, and super clean zoom, no compromises. And the low-light performance? It's improved massively thanks to advanced AI enhancements. Battery life is another win here. The Realme GT7 Pro comes with a 5000 mAh battery. And here's the kicker: 240W Super Dart charging. In just under 10 minutes, you're going from 0 to 100%. No more waiting around for hours. And for all you gamers, this phone is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with 12GB or 16GB of RAM. It handles heavy games like a pro. No lag, no frame drops, just smooth gameplay all the way. So, what's the verdict? Well, the Realme GT7 Pro is delivering flagship-level specs at a killer price. You've got a top-tier display, insane charging speeds, powerful performance, and a versatile camera. If you're looking for a premium phone without burning a hole in your wallet, this could be the one. That's it for today's quick review. If you're loving the content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next one. Peace.